This tutorial is for using Armbian screens with the version of FLYOS. Let's jump to the Mellow official website. Find screen wiring and config. We're providing connection methods for TFT screens and HDMI screens. First, connect the HDMI cable. It also provides power. Make sure the blue cable is facing up. On the light to side, make sure the blue side is facing up as well. Once the power is connected, just wait for the screen to boot into Klipper and then it's ready to use. No need to set anything up for HDMI, it's automatically turned on in the system. Now, let's move on to how to use the TFT screen. Meanwhile, the TFT screen package includes two FPC cables. One is 14-pin and the other is 16-pin. For Light 2.1, you must use the 16-pin cable. The blue part should face up as well. Next, we'll go over how to set up and use the Fly tool. FLYOS comes in two versions, Fast and Armbian. We need to clarify which one you're using. Connect the host to Wi-Fi and obtain the IP address of the host computer, then enter IP plus 9999 in the browser to access Fly tools and perform screen-related configurations. Light 2.1 need us to use to connect to the host computer and execute the following command. Connect via SSH and enter your printer's IP address. Log in as Fly password mellow. Copy this command into SSH. You must execute this command before the 2.1 option appears, otherwise, you cannot use Fly tool to set up the screen. If you've got the Fly TFT2R resistive screen, flip the switch on the back to Resi. If it's the Fly TFT2C capacitive screen, flip it to Cap. Here we choose capacitive touchscreen. The Klipper screen can also be connected here. That's all for today's tutorial. Let us know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see.